হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, যেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আগের দুটি ভিডিওতে আমি ওয়েল্ডিং সংক্রান্ত 100টি করে টোটাল 200 কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আমি দিয়েছি। তোমরা চাইলে সেই ভিডিওগুলো দেখতে পারো এবং খাতায় নোট ডাউন করে রাখতে পারো। আজকেও আবার তোমাদের জন্য আমি 50টি কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি ওয়েল্ডিংয়ের ওপর। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। প্রথম কোশ্চেন, in arc welding the temperature of the heat produced by the electric arc is of the order of 6000 degree centigrade to 7000 degree centigrade. If the main electric supply is not available, we can do arc welding with engine generator set. Which resistance welding machine is having a electrode in wheel shape? Seam welding. A group of pinholes in a weld is called porosity, যেটাকে ওয়েল্ডিং ডিফেক্ট বলা হয়ে থাকে। The causes of slug inclusion are incorrect electrode motion. The current range to weld with 5 mm diameter wire in submerged arc welding is 480 থেকে 1100 ampere. The electrode which deposit a more amount of weld metal per unit time is called iron powder electrode. The necessity of rod gap in the joint is to obtain complete penetration. Select deep penetration electrodes for single bevel joints. The percentage of hydrogen in acetylene gas is 7.7%. Guided bend test is used to determine ductility. Which is the effect of residual stress present in a welded job? Crack the joint when load is applied. What is the composition of filler rod for welding aluminium by TIG welding? Aluminium 59% and silicon 5%. Welding of copper in resistance welding process is difficult because of its high thermal conductivity. The weld deposited on a lap joint is called lap weld. What is the post heating temperature for welding medium carbon steel plates 100 ডিগ্রি থেকে 900 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেড? Store and keep electrode in airtight. Testing a weld without damaging the joint is called non-destructive testing. In MIG or MAG welding, a short stick out distance will give the result of more spatter deposit in nozzle. The necessity of tack welding in a joint is to control distortion during welding. For electron beam welding, the required electron beam is generated, controlled and accelerated inside the electron gun. If the weld metal fails to reach the root of the joint, the defect called incomplete penetration. What will be happen if a medium carbon steel welded joint is allowable to cool in air immediately after arc welding? The joint will crack. The fusion is produced by the heat obtained from a concentrated beam composed primarily of high velocity electron. What should be the pitch of tack weld for bronze welding of butt joint of copper plate 40 থেকে 50 mm? What caution has to be taken before welding cast iron plates to avoid weld cracks? Preheat the plate to 250 degree centigrade. The cutting edge of a hot chisel is ground to an angle of 30 degree. Which energy concentrated beam will help to distortion to avoid accident? Narrow beam. Give the temperature range suitable for preheating aluminium pipe butt joint 180 degree centigrade থেকে 205 degree centigrade. Which type of coating factors is used for making heavy coated electrode 1.6 to 2.2? Which cracking can be avoided by the use of transverse beam oscillation welding method in electron beam welding? Solidification cracking. Dash is a workshop test. Nick brake test. Almost all type of joint are welded by resistance welding process. What type of joint requires strip of filler metal to weld by resistance seam welding process? Butt joint. The normal method of testing the purity of generated acetylene gas is holding a shock filter paper against the stream of purified gas for 10 seconds. In which solution the filter paper is shocked to test the purity of generated acetylene gas? Silver nitrate. Which type of flux coated mild steel electrode is not suitable for welding in vertical and overhead position? High iron oxide coated electrode. In spot welding, the size of the nugget is controlled by electrode constant area. Which type of coated electrode is used for general purpose welding? Rutile. Which unit of TIG welding machine helps to strike the arc without touching the electrode with base metal? High frequency unit. The flame used for oxyacetylene welding of stainless steel is neutral or slightly carburizing. Name of the oxyacetylene welding system in which a purifier is used? Low pressure system. The percentage of carbon in acetylene gas 92.3%. Name of the type of energy is used in laser beam welding? Light energy. What is the initial temperature at which the thermite mixture used in thermite welding can be ignited? 1200 degree centigrade. Which type of electrodes are recommended for electric arc welding of brass? Heavy coated phosphorus bronze electrode. Which type of welding source is preferred for welding of non-ferrous metals? Welding transformer. Name the type of cast iron which is not weldable? White cast iron. Columbium added electrodes are used for welding stainless steel because it prevents weld decay. Name of the flame used for welding aluminium? Strictly neutral flame. A defect can be controlled by reducing the angle of blowpipe and filler rod as the weld pool reaches the left end of a joint. Name this defect? Burn through. Porosity in stainless steel weld is due to damp electrode. তো আজকে এই তোমাদের 50টা কোশ্চেন আমি দিলাম। এই 50টা কোশ্চেন তোমরা আমার সাথে সাথে রিভাইজ করো এবং এগুলো পারলে খাতায় নোট ডাউন করে রেখে দিও। এগুলো আইটিআই হোল্ডার যারা আছে তাদের জন্য খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন এবং ডিপ্লোমা হোল্ডাররাও চাইলে নোট ডাউন করে রাখতে পারো। তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, আবার দেখা হবে অন্য কোনো ভিডিওতে। তো এই ভিডিওটা যদি তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে চ্যানেলটিকে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে প্রেস করে দিও যাতে পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সাথে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।